Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Cloakshi Tutorial. Today I am saying complete seminar in front of great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar regarding reproduction. Do you know friends what is reproduction? Yes, reproduction is nothing but the producing young ones or any living organism in the involving of parent is known as reproduction. The reproduction are two types: sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. First, we discuss about asexual reproduction. The asexual reproduction it is occur in plants. The methods are in the asexual reproduction are budding, binary fission, fragmentation, parthenogenesis, regeneration, cutting, layering, grafting. These are the methods in the asexual reproduction. The asexual reproduction is nothing but the reproduction occur in the naturally is known as the asexual reproduction. It occur in plants. First, we discuss about budding. The budding is nothing but the producing the young ones in the presence of buds is known as budding. The example of budding is yeast. And we will move to next topic, binary fission. The binary fission is also known as multiple fission. The binary fission is nothing but the young ones is producing more or multiple is known as multiple fission. The example for multiple fission and binary fission is bacteria, algae, etc. And fragmentation. Fragmentation is nothing but the producing of young ones at a coolest place with the help of yeast is known as fragmentation. The example of fragmentation is fungi. And parthenogenesis. The parthenogenesis is nothing but the producing of young ones with does not producers is known as parthenogenesis. Example of parthenogenesis is watermelon, ants, wasp, etc. And regeneration. The regeneration is nothing but the producing of ones at a lively and regenerate is known as regeneration. Cutting. Cutting is nothing but the plant will cutting at a stem is known as the plant will gain again and again is known as the cutting. And layering. The plant will produce at a layer of the surface is known as layering. And grafting is nothing but the plant will produce with different identical plants is known as grafting. I will show the pictures of asexual reproduction methods. This is the multiple fission or binary fission in the presence of paramecium. This is budding in the presence of yeast. This is fragmentation in the presence of fungi. This is the seedless fruit, nothing but watermelon. Here does not contain the seeds, but the watermelon is there with the help of parthenogenesis. This is regeneration. Here we will conclude that in the body material, the body is came and the head and the tail will be separation. Here the planaria is there. Yes. This is cutting. This is layering. This is grafting. Here we will conclude that the different identical planes. Okay. Next. Asexual reproduction is finished. No, we will move to sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is nothing but the producing of young ones with lively in the living organisms. The asexual reproduction systems are two types: male reproductive system and female reproductive system. I will show the picture of male reproductive system. This is the picture of male reproductive system. Uterus, urinary bladder, prostate gland, vas deferens, urethra, penis, epididymis, testis, scrotum. The urinary bladder function is the 800 ml urine is present in the urinary bladder. It is large vessel-like structure. The urine will pass urinary bladder into urethra. Here the prostate gland, it is a special gland in the male reproductive system. It is the scrotum, nothing but scrotal sac. It will maintain the male reproductive system temperature. And this is female reproductive system. Here, fallopian tubes. It will be cut means the family planning will be there and the children does not produce when the fallopian tubes will cut. Next, funnel, ovary. With the help of ovary, the sperm will combine with ovary. Then the young ones or baby will be formed and uterus, cervix, vagina. In the presence of vagina, the urine will be come outside. And in the sperm, the important cell is there. With the help, it will be produced young ones. This is only sperm cell. This is first stage in the sperm cell is known as acrosome. It is head. It is in the head middle of the part contain nucleus. It is neck. Under the neck it contain the large structure is known as mitochondria. It is middle piece. The neck is known as middle piece. It tail. The tail is using for movement of the sperm. Into it will be enter into the sperm cell into uterus wall of the female reproductive system. In this session, very important lab activity is there. That is only rhizopus activity. Take a bread bowl, slide, microscope, water, and etc. And polythene cover and thread. First, take a bread mold and cut it into pieces. And take a polythene cover, keep it in tightly with thread, and keep it in fridge, very cool place. Then we will here we will take a slide and water and take a piece of bread that is convert into greenish color and take a slider and keep it under the microscope. Here we will conclude that under the 200x into microscope. Here the greenish color is converted into blackish color and the spore formation will be there. I will show the picture of rhizopus. Here this is the picture of rhizopus. This is spore grain, spores formation, hyperglyph. This is the stem-like structure contain the rhizopus. It will be contain up to the largest 6 days formation. Next, TS of flower. The datura is a very best example for the TS of flower. I will show the complete parts in the datura plant. It is a picture of datura plant. Here the fertilization will occur. It is the female reproductive system part of the flower. Nothing but carpel, calyx, style, filament, corolla, anther, stigma. Here stigma, the pollen grains will be there. With the help of pollen grains, the stigma will take the pollen grains and send into the land or any calyx. Here the fertilization process will occur. Do you know, friends, what is fertilization? The fertilization is nothing but reproduction only. In the living things, the reproduction is also known as fertilization. Fertilization is nothing but the transfer of pollen grains stamen to carpel, and the pollen grains is converted into germination seeds in the plants. In the presence of fertilization process is known as fertilization. And in the leaf, the structure of ovary, I will show the picture. Here the structure of ovary is there. Here middle grain-like structure is known as 8 nucleus. It is embryo sac, gametophyte cells. This is also known as nucleus, ovule, gametes, ovary, style, pollen tube, stigma, pollen grain. In the presence of stigma and pollen tube, the fertilization is going. Here we will conclude that with the help of 7 nucleus cells, nothing but egg cells, the fertilization will process occur. In the ovary, the structure of ovule is there. Ovule. We discussed now 7 nucleus. Here see polar nuclei, antipodals, semignous, egg cells, central cell. With the help of central cell, the fertilization process will occur and the germinating seeds will be there. And this is the process of life cycle of a plant. Here first form the zygote. When the zygote is formed, the fertilization process is occur. Fertilization process after the zygote will form. After embryo, here 7 nucleus is present. After a simple fruit, after the in the seeds the seed will be in the fruit, the seed will be there. After seed convert into a small plant, and a small plant convert into seedling plant, and it is converted into mature plant, and the fertilization process will be ready. And mitosis. Do you know, friends, what is mitosis? The mitosis is known as cell division process. The mitosis, it occur in somatic cells. It contain 4 daughter cells. It is contain 2 nuclei. No crossing of over in chromosomes. It is growth and development purpose. I will show the cell division of mitosis process. It is the cell division of mitosis. It is nuclei. After the stage, this is the cell division process. Spinal fibers will be produced, equatorial plate will be produced, chromosomes. After the stage, spinal fibers, sister chromatin. Do you know, friends, with the help of mitosis and meiosis process, the chromosomes are divided into pairs. With the help of these two cell divisions, the nuclei will be is divided into same and daughter nuclei. Here, one male baby or any female baby will be produced in the presence of 22 X chromosome or Y chromosome. This is meiosis. It occurs in reproductive cells, crossing in over chromosome, 4 daughter cells, 2 daughter cells. It is prophase 1. It is converted into chromosomes into divided into 4 daughter cells. Metaphase. Here buds is formed. Anaphase. This is one nuclei is present in the middle of the nucleus, is known as telophase. Here new cells is germinated with the help of 2 daughter cells. Here no crossing of chromosomes. And do you know, friends, how child is there inside the stomach at the 9 months? I will show the picture. Here see. Here cervix, amnion, umbilical cord, amnion fluid, placenta. Here placenta is nothing but it is an example for regeneration process. It is the birth of the baby at the period of 9 months. Next, do you know, friends, there are 2 types of propagations is there: vegetative propagation, artificial propagation. First we will discuss about vegetative propagation. The vegetative propagation is nothing but the plant will be produced at a natural method, is known as natural propagation. Here natural propagation, the cutting, layering, grafting, nothing but asexual reproduction methods will be involved. With the help of cutting, the plant will be divided into 2 nuclei placenta, and with the help of layering, the plant will be produced at the surface of the land, and the grafting, the 2 different identical parents, the tree will be produced. Example for the Mozambique plant, the mango fruit will be produced. It is the example for grafting. Here 2 identical different parents is there, no, it is the example for grafting. And artificial propagation, here the complete plant produced with the help of artificially, nothing but the chemical fertilizers and any biofertilizers, is known as the artificial propagation will be occur. And do you know, friends, nowadays the longly the sexually transmitted diseases will be occur. The STD means the sexually transmitted diseases. We will control the STD with the help of some taking measures. While doing the sex, the condoms, copper tea cups, with the help of some measures, the STD will be controlled. When why the STD will be effect? The STD will be effect with doing sex with multiple partners, is known as the STD. And some social activities is there for stopping the childhood marriages. because the child contain under 18 under 18 age, the girl does not produce the embryo sac nutrition and at the presence of female reproductive system. In the female reproductive system, the embryo sac cervix does not produce the longly. Here, not ready to for marriage and fertilization. It is leads to death. So please control the fertilization process under the age of 18 years for females. It leads to death. I hope you understood my lesson. Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.